Hello, viewers! Get ready for an exclusive sneak peek into the exciting world of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. The dynamic duo is gearing up to unveil not one, but two captivating Netflix series that promise to offer a glimpse into their passions and pursuits. From the glitz of polo to the charm of cooking and gardening, stay tuned as we dive into the details of their latest ventures. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle are making waves once again with their latest endeavors on the small screen. As part of their lucrative deal with Netflix, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex are set to launch two non-fiction series exploring their diverse interests. Meghan will be stepping into the spotlight to celebrate the joys of cooking, gardening, entertaining, and friendship. With her new lifestyle brand, American Riviera Orchard, taking center stage, viewers can expect a delightful journey into the world of culinary delights and green thumb expertise. Meanwhile, Prince Harry will be delving into the glitzy world of polo, a sport close to his heart since childhood. Partnering with Netflix, Harry will offer viewers an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the U.S. Open Polo Championship, exploring the dedication and skill required to compete at the highest level. Both series are the result of a multi-million-dollar deal struck between the Sussex's production company, Archwell, and Netflix. With renowned production teams on board, including Sony Pictures Television's The Intellectual Property Corporation and Boardwalk Pictures, these shows are poised to captivate audiences worldwide. As anticipation builds for the debut of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's Netflix series, one thing is clear: the royal couple is embracing their creative freedom and using their platform to share their passions with the world. Stay tuned to Celeb Explore Hub for all the latest updates on this exciting journey.